Hi and welcome back. We have observed that the 4 video did not show us everything. There was an error with the recording using Zooms. Some windows were not showing, only my Google Chrome browser showed. So this is part 2 of the video which will cover up for the demo, when we start testing the solution that we have, as well as seeing how to initialize approval request even within Microsoft Teams. So right now we are done building our Microsoft form, which we also have here, Tekedia form. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share the form. When I click on the share button, you can select, can anyone respond? Only people in my organization or specific people can respond. In this case, it's going to be only people in my organization. The anyone can respond option is not working because you have an upload option on your question. The moment the upload is not there, people outside the organization will also be able to respond. You can set it. But now I'm just going to copy the link to also make it easier. There's an option now to shorten the link. When I click on it now, the link has been shortened. I can now click on copy. For us to test and see how it works, I have logged in with my developer account with Advance. So this is Advance. She is my retail manager, and she's going to just assume she has access to the link and then paste on a new browser. That will take her to the form and she'll then be able to post. So what should we call this? Let us call this travel expense to where exactly? To Paris. And how much is this going to cost? It's going to cost basically $30,500 US. Which department are you from? Let's put in HR. And what's the comment? Expense to the 2021 Microsoft Power Platform training. Let's just assume it's something like that. Then you have to upload a file. So Advance is going to upload something, and right here, just going to pick this travel memo, maybe the PDF. Yeah. So uploading the PDF right now. When that is done, Advance is going to click on submit. Now, when you come back to the SharePoint, I'm going to open our SharePoint list. Right now, the data will have dropped. It is that easy and fast. This is SharePoint test site, and I'm going to click on that Tekedia memo approval. That's our list. The new submission is here. I can see approval request already. You can see the new submission now. Travel expense to Paris is already here. Yeah, that's what we have here. And the attachment, if I double click on it, the attachment is also here. So I'm going to see the memo that I attached. All right. So let me go to my email. The advantage or the importance of this approval option is that it's going to give you the flexibility of approving in your email or Microsoft Teams. Right now, I'm in my email and I just open. You see the approval request is right here. This is the attachment, which I can open and see right here. Okay, you can't view the PDF. I have to double click to open in my browser, but I can use the back button here to just go back here. Please find attached memo and approve or reject accordingly, and have the options here as well. So before I approve, I also want to show you how flexible it is to work with this approval option. When I go back to my Microsoft Teams, when I come to activity is already there, but if I come to approvers, I'm going to see that there's an approval request on my queue that I need to attend to. It is that integrated and flexible. So received now, I see 15. This is the requested. I've not attended to it. So when I click on it, it's going to open up. It's telling me that this is the request, and it's coming from Ola Charles because my account is the one that is sending that approval on behalf of the Advance. So I'm not going to respond to it here because we don't have the flexibility of seeing the PDF. But right here in your email or your apps, you can approve. This is approve. Okay, this is approved. That's fine for me. I'm going to click submit. When you click submit, then it's done. It's submitted. The flow gets completed. And when we go back to our SharePoint list, we need this column approved by C. Just gotten updated. It was approved, and it is Olachas that approved it. So that's how flexible it is when you create this flow. So the payment officer now, the settlement officer can focus there and say, okay, it has been approved, this is the person that approved, all right, let me go ahead and make the payment. Remember, this is just the demo to show us how everything gets integrated. And lastly, just to walk us back to SharePoint, to Microsoft Teams, where you can easily, let's assume I'm chatting with Advance, I can send approval request to her right on this chat. This button here makes that possible. Approvers, I can go straight to approval, and going forward in the next 1 month, Microsoft is going to release a template that for all your different approval requests, you can build them in Microsoft Teams, and people can use it on their phone, on their system. Right now, I can put this Teams approval test. Who is my approver? I'm going to put Advance. Let me use Advance. And then, do I need a custom response, approve or reject? Do I want to attach document? I can also attach document right here. And this time I'm just going to day one, Tekedia automation. That's what I'm going to attach. And once it's done attaching there, I'm going to click on send. What that will do, okay, I might want to add additional details. This is the memo for the one Tekedia automation week. All right, I'm going to click on send. So right now, this request, continue, okay, in this conversation before, okay, continue. So it's going to, in this chat conversation, right here, the approval request is here. I can view details. And that's going to show me the status is currently with Advance. So required is pending response from Advance. I can cancel the request, but I'm not going to do that. So for Advance, I'm going to log in back here. Let me just put up my Microsoft Teams. I can see it here, received Teams approval request under my approval, but I want to have it in my conversation. So let me go back to chat because it was initialized there. So within our conversation, Ola, I'm just going to say Ola. So you can see the details, including the attachment. And if you want to view, you can click, it's going to open on a new tab. You'll be able to view what is in the attachment, and it's pending your response. Approve or reject. Approved. I'm going to say approved by me. Say good luck. Then I click on approve. The moment I click on approve, then it's approved. It's approved. The status changed here to approved. And when I go back to my conversation with Advance, this is my Microsoft Teams now. Let me go back to the Teams app. This Teams app. I can see readily here that this has been approved. And when I check details, it's going to show that it has been approved. Approved. And this is my feedback. Approved by me. Good luck. So, great. It is that really easy. Alright. I'm just going to come back here. You can do the approval on Teams. You can still use your Microsoft form to initialize in case you want to collect as much, as much information as you need. You can create a form to do that. And that ends the day 4 Tekedia Automation Week Series 1.0. Thank you.